Okay, today we're going to show you our Marolex foam sprayer. It's great if you're into car detailing because you can do car wheels. It's great for spraying in engine compartments and things like that. The actual device itself comes with free foam inserts, so you can change the density of the foam. You can get a nice thick dry foam. On the box, you'll see on the box it comes with small, medium and high, and the higher one just gives a drier foam which will stick for longer. And these inserts are simply just placed into you twist the nozzle off like that and the insert will just come in and out like that, so you can put them in there, which is great. So that'll give you different densities of foam. And also a good thing about this device is that you can, it's got storage compartments in the handle there, so you can drop your foam inserts into there and it just keeps them all in one place, which is good, and that just easily clips back on. The device has also got a automatic setting, and you can also just spray it manually like that. Obviously we've got more storage in the top here for a spare nozzle. It comes with a spare nozzle as well, so you can just keep that in there and that just clips in. Another good thing about the device is it's easy to open. It's got these little indents here that you can hold on to and just spin off like that, so you can get your liquid in there, which is great. Also, when you're handling the spray, you'll notice it's got a really robust construction, and it's got a very industrial feel, and it is good. The user can be quite aggressive with this, and it'll withstand any sort of knocks or anything. It's really a well-built sprayer from Marolex. Obviously, to pump it up, once you've put your liquid in, you just pump it up like that, and it just operates with the button there. Or you can have it on automatic and leave it and it'll keep going. It's also got a pressure release valve, which just releases the air out the front under here.